if, and this one is technically I did this in ChatGPT. So, okay, red flag. If you said, what grant makers should I apply to for a grant for my healthcare focused organization in New York? And I just grabbed the screen to show the top few. I'm like, oh yeah, New York Health Foundation. Yep, I know them. They often do RFPs. Their special projects fund is the only one that like widely people can just choose to apply to. Mother Cabrini Health Foundation. Oh yeah, they are huge. Everyone wants their funding. Some is by invitation only, some is open once a year. Okay. New York State Department of Health. These are like these are on point. These are some big names that folks would know. But how curated is it? Are you already eligible to get money from the state? That's a whole qualification process. Does your mission really connect with Cabrini Health Foundation on low income, underserved communities? Or maybe it's a different type of healthcare focus that actually isn't a great fit. Maybe your healthcare focused work actually fits one of the normal RFPs in New York Health Foundation. So you can only apply for their RFP. Their special projects fund doesn't want you in their queue. They want you in their RFP process. And there was a whole bunch more under there. If we don't do additional due diligence, use our own knowledge, our team's knowledge, our board members' knowledge, if we don't do additional due diligence, we're not going to have our best fits. We're going to be digging in without our appropriate level of homework.